Alright, it's been a while since I did one of these. Let's give the introduction to Metauni another go. Some things have changed since the last one. So this is the Metauni page. Metauni is a network built out of nodes. Each node consists of a Roblox world. Roblox is a 3D social environment built for games, but which can be used for academic purposes. So a Metauni node is a Roblox world paired with a Discord server for voice chat, transferring files, and for communicating links and other text that is not allowed in the Roblox in-game chat. So to get into a Metauni node, you should open its Roblox world and its Discord server. You can find the node directory here. With both of those. So the first link is the Roblox link and the second one is an invite to the Discord server. So let's go ahead and get into the Rising Sea Roblox world, and I have the Discord server already open. So to enable the voice chat, what you want to do is put yourself manually into a voice channel, let's say general. The first time you load up a Metauni node, you need to register. Okay, so that means you need to couple your Roblox username and your Discord ID. And the instructions for doing that are here. So basically you just need to go into, probably there'll be a special channel in the Discord server, and you need to type something like this, where this is your Roblox username. Okay, so I've already done that for this account. So I'll just go ahead and get into the Roblox world. Here it is. You'll see various kinds of objects around. You can click on them and get a full screen view. There are audio objects you can play. These translucent boxes on the ground are voice channels. Observe what happens when I walk into it in the Discord window. Okay, so this here is a special voice channel for this region. People who are in this area or who want to transition to a private discussion, possibly about this object, can tap on that area by stepping into it, and they will be moved into the appropriate channel. That's what the Discord bot does. So there are several talk areas in this Metauni node, which is the Rising Sea. This is one of them. You'll notice I just transitioned into the chat zone voice channel for this particular region. You can click on the slide object to get a full screen view. That'll keep in sync with the speaker. Let me show you the location for this week's talk on Friday by Lucas Cantor. This is the music tower. So that object I just walked into it was a teleport. Teleports within the world are designated by blue flames, pillars with blue flames. You might be able to see down there, there's a pillar with an orange flame. That'll take you to the Metauni hub world. I'll show you that in a moment. Okay, so you can see here the location for the talk. You can take a seat by just walking into the chair and get out by jumping. That's spacebar. These are whiteboards. They'll be used for the pre-event mathematics session, and for the challenges you just use it like any internet whiteboard. But you'll notice that as I draw, it's visible in the world. Okay. Please use common sense with these whiteboards. We will be putting in place a moderation system so that we can monitor what gets written on the whiteboards and ban users who abuse them. There are more details on the limitations around in-world chat and whiteboards under Roblox rules on the metauni.org page. So you should use these boards for mathematics, diagrams, pictures, but don't write large amounts of text here, and don't use it as an in-game chat system. That's explicitly against the community rules of Roblox, so that's not a good idea. But they work great. Those were coded by James Clift, and the majority of the work on the Discord bot that I was discussing earlier was done by Billy Price. Okay, so these are some of the controls that the presenter has. Next slide, previous slide, mini display. There's a button to start challenges. The challenges are mini games that occur after events. So maybe I'll show you the hub. Incidentally, you can access animations by pressing full stop and selecting one of the animations. You'll see that I've added a non-standard animation. You can do that on the Roblox webpage. You can also customize your appearance. Some of the people you'll see around in the Rising Sea node have prize t-shirts from earlier challenges. So you use a teleport by just walking into it. And you see here that I'm in the Metauni hub world. These are all independent worlds. Let's see. Let's try this one. See what we find. That is a giant cow. Yikes. I'm sure Cow God will be happy if I do this.